The People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, or PETA, today released a detailed and shocking report on the harsh treatment and living conditions of cattle on dairy farms and sheds across the country. PETA's undercover investigations were conducted in 16 milk-producing states, including Maharashtra, Delhi, Punjab and Haryana.
The few things that we have seen is immense use of oxytocin, which is a Schedule H drug, which is completely banned. What we have also seen is bull calves who are of no commercial value to the dairy industry being tied without proper food, being starved to death. We found that animals being transported, the cows which are of no use to the dairy industry, being transported interstate illegally at times and then being slaughtered in complete view of one another, which is again in complete violation. We found that there are not many stringent laws, not many regulations which are there, or even if there are, they are not being implemented.
The PETA's anger is aimed at dairy owners who they say openly flout regulations and in some cases even indulge in milk adulteration and contamination. But the dairy owners have another story to tell.
जहाँ तक मैंने तबेले देखे हैं, मैंने नहीं करके मिनिमम 100 से 200 तबेले देखे अलग अलग लिंक के, तो उसमें यही देखा गया कि जो कैटल्स को जो फैसिलिटी चाहिए वो उनको मिलती है. जैसे कि उनके खाने की बात करेंगे अगर आप, तो खाने के उन्हें जो दिया जाता है तो दैट इज़ मच बेटर देन अस, क्योंकि हम भी आजकल बादाम काजू नहीं खा पाते हैं. उनको सब जो हाई क्वालिटी, क्योंकि उनको अच्छा दूध निकालना है तो उनको खाने को अच्छा मिलता है. सेकेंडली उनके जो रहने के कंडीशंस हैं, इवन दैट इज़ बेटर, जैसे उसको चिल्ड, वो इन्वायरमेंट को चिल्ड रखते हैं.
The Indian dairy industry is an unorganized sector which is rapidly growing, but it seems to be doing so at the cost of growing irregularities and animal rights violations, which will have dangerous effects on our health and environment. With Rona Kutecha, Pallavi Lotlikar, NewsX Mumbai.